to fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when niggas go missing. This job you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, it's gonna be a Marshalls haul. And I'm super excited because I discovered Marshalls about 3 or 4 months ago, something like that. Maybe 6 months ago now, honestly. But I discovered Marshalls a few months back and I had never been before, like recently. And I'm just super excited to do this haul. They have lots of good, useful stuff. I have tons of stuff from Marshalls. I absolutely love Marshalls. But before we hop into this video, I'm not even going to just hop back into the mix of things before addressing. I know that I've been very MIA, and it's been a while since I've made a video. I posted a couple shorts like last week, I believe, or this week one, but it's been a while since I've made an actual video. I think like 3 or 4 months, something like that. So yeah, as you can see, y'all, my look has changed up a little bit. Not too much, but just a little bit, and my look is going to change up even more with the things that I got in this haul from Marshalls. So without further ado, let's make it do what it do. Okay, so I was gonna do a beauty haul, like a makeup haul from Marshalls, and I decided to just go ahead. Like lately, I'm gonna give you guys a backstory first. I have been lately just really upgrading my natural beauty, stuff like that. So I've been working on my regimen, my skincare regimen. I've been keeping my hair pretty, I don't know, maintainable, I guess. I've been trying to keep it curly. I've used new products, all kinds of stuff. And I should have the products that I used in this video because I got those from Marshalls. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and make a video on the stuff that I got today. And then for the products that I have been using in my hair, I will make another video for that. But right now, I'm going to make a video about the stuff that I got from Marshalls today. And I'm super excited because I have been, like I said, I've been into beauty maintenance. Been trying to keep my nails done, skincare routine, lashes on, lip plumper, stuff like that. I'm just really into that lately. So been trying to kind of upgrade myself because I know I had a couple months after I stopped recording, I had literally glowed down. So we don't want to glow down, we want to glow up. So yeah, anyway, let me stop rambling and get into the video. Okay, so I'm sorry. So for the first thing I got, these are it's a three pack, okay, exfoliating glove set, but each glove is 2 of each color, so it's really a 6-pack, but whatever. It's 2 of each color. It's like a pinkish purple, like a lavender color, mauve pink, not even a mauve, like a baby pink, and then a blue. These were only $5.99, and it shows you like the texture of it. I really am excited to use these. I'm going to use these tonight, so I want to go ahead and make the video. I just got this stuff today. I wanted to go ahead and make the video before I used any of this stuff, because just why not? So yeah, these were $5.99. I'm not sure what it says. Get your skin glowing. These textured exfoliating bath and shower body gloves help to gently buff and renew dull looking skin. It removes dead skin and improves your skin texture, leaving it soft and smooth. Okay, so like I said, $5.99. I will definitely let you guys know if this is a hit or a miss. Okay, then I got, since I have been wearing my hair down, I got these. The brand is called Sunday State, and it's these it's about 8 satin, I think they're satin. They feel satin. Oh, I'm sorry, they're polyester. They feel pretty satin though, I'm not gonna lie. But it's about 8 polyester scrunchies. Y'all, I literally got these for a steal. They were on, like, the price was reduced. They were $7. Originally, I'm sorry, they were $9. Then they took them down to $7. But I got them on discount for literally, what does that say? That say $3, y'all. $3 freaking dollars. That's crazy to me. So it's about 8 of them. I'm very excited to try these because, like I said, I've been wearing my own hair. And yeah, y'all, I'm I'm not gonna lie, I'm liking these. I think they're so cute. I know this black one is gonna get used. Oh, to be damned. The black and the nude, I know they're gonna get used the most. But for $3, I mean, this is a steal. $3, y'all. From Marshalls. Go to Marshalls. If you need scrunchies or anything like that, go to Marshalls, y'all. Marshalls is the lick, okay? Then I got these iPads. They could be hot or cold. They reduce puffiness and relieve tension. I got these for $4.99. They are so cute. I had some that went in my my eye cover to go to sleep, but they busted somehow when I moved. So I wanted to go ahead and get these. I think I just put them in the freezer for a minimum of 30 minutes. Yeah, for a minimum of 30 minutes until desired coolness is achieved. A minimum, that seems like a long time, but okay. So you put these in there for, I'm sorry, y'all, I look so tired because I am. I put these in the freezer for 30 minutes, and yeah, y'all, these are supposed to take the dark circles and the puffiness and the bags from under my eyes. So I'm super, super excited to try these tonight. After I do my skincare routine and everything, put my hair back, I'm definitely gonna try these, okay? Definitely gonna try. These were a freaking steal to me. So these are eco-friendly floss picks. And I got this huge container. It's a container of 250 picks. And it was $6.99. Y'all, the little bag with like 50 of them is normally this price. Here's what they look like. They're black, and it's like a bunch of them. I like it because it comes with a container, and I like everything that I have to have a container, honestly. I'm not gonna lie. So when I saw that this came with a container, I'm sorry. When I saw that this came with a container, I was just, I had to get them. I was sold. I had to get them. So definitely got this. I feel like this was a good buy. 250 of them for $7. That's a steal to me. I don't know about you, but to me, it's a steal. Okay, so like I said, I got all this shit from, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say that. I got all this stuff from Marshalls. So yeah, y'all, I've been loving Marshalls. And they are vegan and PVC BPA free, whatever that means. But they are definitely vegan, and yeah, I don't know. I'm just excited to try these tonight. Then I got some Raw Sugar Kids slime goo bath plus body wash in the scent watermelon apple. This is made for kids. It's vegan, free of sulfates, parabens, everything. Synthetic dyes. It's cruelty free. It's vegan. It's allergy tested. Plant-based. All that stuff. Was it plant-based? No, I'm sorry. It was just vegan. I'm sorry. So this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna open it. I like the top. This is so cute to me. I got this for my daughter. And it smells so good. This is what it looks like. It does look like goo. Now, it does look like goo. And it's like, it's not as pigmented as it looks. But yeah, it's just very strong. Like, it smells very, very strong. It smells like a lotion or something like that. So it's very strong. It says, get dirty, play clean. So I paid $3.99 for, oh, I'm sorry. I paid $3.99 for this, and it smells so good. So if you like your babies to smell really good, I highly suggest Raw Sugar Kids slime goo. And it does look like slime. It does look like goo. So that was the perfect name for it. And last but not least, what I was most excited about is these Love Wellness Mood Pills. So just a little backstory, y'all. I love the Love Wellness pills. I have the probiotics, the Good Girl probiotics. I paid about $30. Was it like 22 to $30 for the bottle? It's the same size bottle, it's just a different one. All of the bottles are anywhere from $20 to $30. There is about a $10 difference depending on what bottle you get. $5 to $10 difference depending on what bottle you get. So the other ones, the Good Girl probiotics, I paid $30 from. I got them from Ulta, and I love them. They work wonders. I absolutely love them. I'll have to do a review on them. But these, when I was at Ulta this morning, y'all, I was blown away, because this is normally $30 at Ulta, the mood pills. Y'all, I paid $7. I can't believe that I paid this much. I paid $7 for these. $7? That's a steal. That's crazy to me. So I will definitely be going back to see which other ones I get. Sorry y'all, I've been on this kick where I have been taking vitamins lately, and I just feel better. I wake up in a better mood. I feel better. I'm not as, like, I was sick when I started taking vitamins, but after I started taking them, I quickly got better. So yeah, so I was just like very, very flabbergasted, because I got these pills for $7. They are normally $30. That is a $23 difference. So that's a huge steal. These particular ones, I believe they are either $30 or $25. I might be wrong. They might be like 22, but I believe they're anywhere from $25 to $30. And that's, even if they were $20, that's still a huge deal. And so, yeah, that's the thing. Those are the things I got. I'm going to go ahead and put everything back in here. I didn't get too much. I didn't want to spend too much money, but I definitely wanted to get some stuff, because I know I needed some stuff, and I wanted to go ahead and do this haul for you guys. So I hope you guys like this haul. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, follow me on all my social sites. I have something very new coming for you guys very soon, so just wait on it. Yeah, just wait on it, you guys. And I'm just super excited for what I have coming. You guys will see very, very soon, like in the next couple weeks. You guys will see exactly what it is, and I will have more videos. I'm gonna start being more consistent, you guys, because I have been so inconsistent. It's ridiculous. So thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.